Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So Nigerian Senator Ben Murray has welcomed Chidimma to participate in Miss Universe Nigeria 2024, but Nigerians are angry on this. They are saying this is a wrong move. The lady's parents committed fraud and we should not encourage wrongdoings. To a certain extent, I agree with Nigerians on this one because I don't know how it shifted from being Miss South Africa competition 2 minutes. Now she wants to be Miss Universe in Nigeria. This is a joke at a global stage. The lady has never been in Nigeria before. She lives in South Africa. She must not be included in Miss Nigeria Universe. I don't know what you guys think, but I want you to listen to her video.
Hello everyone, my name is Chidimma Vanessa Ono Adechina, and I cannot start off this video without expressing my gratitude to the incredible people who have shown me so much love and so much support. Now, I have received an invitation from the Silverbird Group, who are the organizers of the Miss Universe Nigeria beauty pageant. And I say this with great excitement because I have decided to participate in the Miss Universe Nigeria 2024 beauty pageant. Now, I understand the expectations and responsibilities that come with this title, and I am so excited to embark on this journey. And I just want to say thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to participating in Africa's most prestigious beauty pageant, Miss Universe Nigeria.
I don't know what you guys think about this one, but I think she's jumping way too much and she should organize herself and probably start again next year because this is too soon. And Home Affairs is still investigating her and already she has jumped to Nigerian, which means that she is actually saying, I'm now Nigerian or I've been Nigerian from the day one. Can you comment on this one? And Nigerians are saying we are not a dumping ground. And my question now is, she's being denied in Nigeria. And then where does she belong now? Because seemingly her career has ended before it even started. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. But I just feel sorry for her because she's young and she's trying to make ends meet. Probably she should leave all this thing of modeling and stuff. She should just forget and concentrate on something else. Because she's still young, 23 years old. She should go to university and start a degree or something like that. That's what I think. Because now this industry will not even accept her or start to model for brands. Probably that way she will be successful where they don't require too much details on her like identity and where she comes from, because you can be a model for Nivea even if you are from which country. I guess probably she should look into that. Let me know in the comment section. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. Thank you guys for watching.